No, Henri, it's very serious. You cannot break the rule. You can't.
Ok. Ah merde. No, because it's a demo. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's a demo, and the Bluetooth thing.
There's a lot of Bluetooth here. Should we be like Steve Jobs and have everybody turn off their phones?
Please, I am not Steve Jobs. Anybody can use his phone.
Right.
Okay.
Just use
so
it.
doing the demo, the Bluetooth thing was out, but I will still be able to break the rules.
No, break pas the rules du tout. Hein.
Okay.
We're seeing an image.
Non, mais...
There we go.
Juste là.
Ok. Il a peur, et d'ailleurs ça marche pas.
Non, c'est parce que c'est pas...
Oh. Okay. So normally you can put it on the...
Non.
C'est un jouet,
Oui.
tu peux le toucher, il va pas te faire... Il va pas
Mais c'est pas la question.
Il va pas te mordre. Non, je reste sur ça. Normalement, j'avais évidemment prévu de voler au milieu de la salle et de faire le malin. Mais il a tellement les jetons. He's so afraid of me, every year, he's so afraid of me.
Yeah.
It's a toy, it passed all the toy regulation, it's not a drone. Huh?
If I put my fingers in the blades,
You can, but
will it cut me?
No, it will not cut you.
It'll hurt, but not cut.
It will hurt,
Can you go higher? But not forward, please.
Now, how far from the controller can this go?
Huh?
How far can this go from the controller?
I don't know. No.
We won't demo that.
There is a special remote device that it can go at kilometers. Kilometers. And with a 4G dongle, it can go...
How long? A kilometer?
2 kilometers. But here you cannot move more.
Get it closer. Let's see. Like that.
You notice the motors are stable now.
Yeah.
Did you know I was the first person attacked by a drone? At Stanford University, I saw one of the prototypes of the first quadcopters, and it attacked me.
Oh shit. Okay, so this is very safe, undangerous. It's a toy, it means it passed the toy regulation.
It's got a GPS in?
Yes, a GPS, more sensors than average drone because he has also vertical camera, ultrasound sensor, altimeter, gyroscope, magnetometer, and it costs only $500. Yeah, so this was the... Okay. And you notice, I did not break any rule. That was my project. Huh? Okay.
Thank you.